we're going to get some tissue paper.
Yeah.
And we're going to put it in the cups.
Yeah.
And we're going to see if the tissue paper changes colour.
Yeah.
Okay, so Savannah, with each tissue paper, put it in one cup and put it in the other cup. Okay, so just leave. Yeah, give it some space. There we go. Okay.
My eye! My eye! Enough one?
And put it in this one.
I can do it.
We'll do it for all of them, okay? So we've done all the tissue into the food colouring. And we're just going to see if it transfers over now, aren't we? So this is 5 minutes.
Oh my god, look at this one.
The pink one?
Yeah.
And it all gone over.
Yeah.
It's almost done, isn't it?
Yeah.
The green one's taking its time and the red one's taking its time. The red one now looks orange. So the red one now looks orange. The green one hasn't really moved anywhere. It's still in the middle. But the pink one is winning the race. Has that been an hour, Savannah?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's taken its time. It hasn't fully gone over. So it's not like the ones that we've seen on the video.
No.
The pink one did really good. That did a really good job. The green one didn't do that much. And the red one was okay. The pink one won, didn't it? But it's not like the videos we saw, was it?
No.
No. But would you do this again?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay then.
Bye.